Alright guys, I have the Sebring in the shop. As you can see, I went ahead and drove it inside. Now, y'all know what I was talked about outside. First thing I want to do is verify that the system is full. And ladies and gentlemen, it is not, okay? I had this full. It was a whole gallon and it just took just about all of it. This is water. I'm testing, so it does not have to be antifreeze. I can verify. Okay, it took quite a bit, guys. Now, what I want to do now, I'm going to check it for leaks in a second. I want to verify, or I want to distinguish more. I got my scan tool hooked up. Remember we had the, we're going to look at trouble codes. Let me turn the key on. Checking the light on, remember guys? So, and remember we talked about all the coils and everything they done replaced. So let's go and see. Let's go check DTC. Yes, 98, all engine. It's gonna scan in my patented DRB. Real good scan tool, ladies and gentlemen. What we want to see is why the check engine light on. Besides the overheating complaint, it's actually misfiring. Okay, so we're gonna go into DTC, and what we will find is read DTC. Whoa, cylinder 1 misfire. That's 3 codes in it. What's the other one? Multiple cylinder misfire. Cylinder 2 misfire. All right, let's do this, guys. Let's see if these cylinders actually misfiring. That's a screen on here that will show you what the computer sees. No, I don't want to erase it. Let's go look at which cylinder is actually misfiring. And we will find that under OBD. I think. It's been a while, guys. It's the old scan tool, old technology. So y'all bear with me. Let's get through this. We want this section that says which cylinder is misfiring. Oh, it's at the very bottom. Let me click here and I'm gonna go start the car. Okay, there go all my 6 cylinders. Now let's start the car. And what we will find, ladies and gentlemen, is okay, I got a counter moving in cylinder 1. Now the engine's not shaking like it was outside yet, so when it starts shaking, let's see if that number moved. I might need to put it on the load. Where are we at now? Uh-oh. Y'all see that? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem with cylinder 1. Alrighty. Now the computer picked up cylinder 1 and 3. Okay, that's on the same bank, guys, but all I'm seeing is misfire in cylinder 1. Alright guys, so look at that. We're actually up to 107. There is a problem in cylinder 1, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what I recommend we do is track down cylinder 1, right? Y'all know how to do that, right? Alright, do I need to do a crash course on how to tell where cylinder 1 is? Because you got a choice. This is a V6 engine, meaning there's 6 cylinder. Where is cylinder 1? Let's do it like this, guys. A typical, well, I don't want to say typical because there are some crazy engines out there. Mostly Dodge setup. Cylinder 1 would be the closest to the front, just like a crankshaft on a bicycle or crankshaft on a V. The way they do it is cylinder 1. The way I've tried to manage to keep up with it is cylinder 1 is always the closest to the front. All right. So now, if you look at this engine, right? Let me take the camera way up here. These 2 are the closest to the front, right? Okay. Now you got to verify which one is the closest. And if you had to guess, guys, look at this. This is far over this way than this. This is more over this way, which makes that closest to the front. All right, look again. See, this is slightly this way. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So yes, guys, that would mean, because this is tilted this way toward the front, and the angle going, look at that, perpendicular like that. This is cylinder 1. All right. So that's the problem. Cylinder we're having a problem out of. Now what I want to do, guys, remember all these are new coils. I'm sure it's new plugs. Y'all know the next step. Now, I think I have to sell this, but I'm gonna go off of instinct anyway, guys. I'm gonna pull the plugs out of cylinder 1 and see if I can get it. What kind of compression reading would I get out of that? Because remember, guys, I've always said this. If this has low compression, all bets are off. Nothing else matters. You can replace everything on this car. This engine will never run the same because at this point it's imbalanced. All right, where am I scanning to at now? Okay, it done went so high, it done flipped, started back over. Only cylinder 1, guys. And there is a rough item. All right, so let's do this. Let's turn the car off. I'm gonna pull plugs out of cylinder 1. I'm gonna try to get a compression reading. Now, I don't advise that because you need to do all of them, but so you have something to compare it with. I want to get a base understanding of what cylinder 1 is doing. So let me kill the car right quick. We're gonna get this plug out, try to do a compression test, guys. Let's get it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I got over 100 psi on cylinder 1. Guys, it's recommended to do them all. You need something to compare this with, all right? But my problem is in cylinder 1, and I wanted to do a quick verification that the cylinder can at least push 100. All right, so guys, what does that mean? You have some more diagnosing to do, right? Right, okay, what is causing that misfire as well as overheating, guys? Now, what I need to do, because that misfire is active, it's actually counting while the car is sitting in island, okay? And I just verified that I'm getting at least 120. I try to do it at least 6 revolutions, guys. I'm getting 120 out of compression. So if it's not based on an internal leak, what outside could cause that? I mean, you have things like the injectors. I'm almost certain this is new. And if you looked at that plug, where is it? Right here. It's not like really crack. So one or two things, guys. I'm not going to focus on this misfire because this misfire could be merely a byproduct of the overheating issue. All right. So I'm going to back up for a second. All right. I got to be, remember I told you outside, I got to be extremely careful how delicate this engine is and be extremely careful not to put me, myself, or the company in harm's way of, lawsuit and everything like that, because they've already tried all this. Just say if I give an estimate, you need coils and spark plugs, but no, I don't. I just replaced them. So we're dealing with a different kind of customer right now. They frustrated right now. They couldn't figure it out, and I guarantee you, this place was the last option they wanted to go to, so they had no choice. So what they expecting to hear something from us is either something catastrophic or something extremely simple. It's never going to be extremely simple, guys, with a car over 100,000 miles, and especially with this model engine, 2.7. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do now. I have some more diagnosing to do. Like I say, I'm gonna put this plug back in. I'm gonna go drive this thing and actually verify if it's overheating and how quickly it gets to the overheating point. All right, so y'all gotta bear with me, guys. I'm thinking they're going, because I'm gonna get a call here in a second. What you find? I need to go further, so they're gonna end up trying to get me some more diagnostic time. All right, but if that happens, guys, that could take a while. Y'all know I don't like leaving these videos open. So what I might end up doing is shutting this one down In fact, that's exactly what they're gonna do. They're gonna call the customer back and get some more data. I've had, quite frankly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have way exceeded the 1 hour limit on initial diagnosis. All right. In fact, I was supposed to get additional time to do a compression test. All right. Yeah, in some cases you can squeeze a compression test in your 1 hour diagnostic time, but management want it's a managerial decision, not mine, guys. So they gonna call me. I gotta go give them an update, and I'm almost certain they're gonna. It's Friday, it's the weekend. We're not gonna hear back from the customer until Monday, so they're gonna ask for some more diagnostic time. So let me do this, guys. I'm gonna make y'all a promise. The extended diagnosis that I do on this car, I'm gonna open this video back up. But for now, I had to close this one and upload it. Okay, I hate leading you guys on a wild goose chase, but I'm a content creator and I'm aimed to create content, whether complete or not. Now, I'm not going to intentionally post an incomplete video. There will be a conclusion to every project I get involved with from a video standpoint. Okay, and this is no exception. All right, I'm gonna upload this video as is, where we're staying right now with the diagnostic. Again, I exceeded the 1 hour. I'm up to 2 hours now. Y'all don't know what has been going on behind the scenes. Yes, so I just whipped out the camera, to keep you guys up to date and show y'all in some cases what I'm doing from a live standpoint. Okay, it's being played out, not live stream, what's the word I'm looking for? Real time. Yeah, it's being played out. The diagnostic is being played out real time. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do a compression test, put everything up, put every spark plug back in, whip out my camera, and then undo or redo everything I just did. No, this is I'm doing this real time, all right, while I'm filming. Okay, yeah, no playing out diagnostic, because I don't know what I'm gonna find. We most of the time we find out together, guys. I'm just as shocked as you are on some of the videos. All right, so I'm gonna end this. All right, I gotta go. They're gonna call the customer back, try to get some more diagnostic time. What I'm gonna end up doing is taking the intake off. I might have to pull a valve cover, but this is a 2.7. Remember I showed y'all how to verify this 2.7 is sludge. You gotta get that cam sensor off. Watch this video right here where I talk about that. The best way to tell if this engine is sludge, all bets are off. And doing this is not gonna tell you if the engine's sludge. All right, this is not gonna tell you. So we'll find out more once I get diag time. They might want me to pull the valve cover. So guys, y'all stay tuned, man. Thanks for watching.